Alright, welcome back to a new video, where this is Fi, and I am just a human. Alright, so, let's check here. So, last time we made the face for Fi, and it looks amazing. So, for this week, I was thinking of So I wanted to work on the neck, but the parts haven't arrived yet. So my options are that either I'll work to make the face a little more stable, because as you can see, it's a bit wobbly. So I was thinking of having some kind of pullback stabilizer here that could drag back the face to keep it in place. Other things that I've been thinking about is I managed to make the ears so she can hear me, but the sound is the speech recognition isn't perfect, and also she also listens to everything I say. She listens to everything I tell her, so I should probably have some kind of command, like for Alexa, you just say Alexa, and then she will listen. So I can just say Fi, and then she will listen. Yeah. And also the speech recognition isn't perhaps the best, so I should probably look up some better alternatives, if there are any. In the future, I'll probably make some fine-tuning for that. What else? Right. And then the voice, of course, I only have one voice right now that is local and free, but I will see if I can find anything better. I know 11 Labs have a voice API, but it costs money to use that, so I want some free option. So yeah, we'll see what we do this week. Okay, so an update. My internet doesn't seem to work. So for this week, I will have a second goal in mind. I was thinking that I'm still gonna work on speech recognition and try to make her recognize whenever I say Fi. But since I can't use the API, I will just make her repeat what I say. And then I'm gonna make a recording mode. So whenever I say Fi, she will record video and audio and then save that for each minute that I'm talking. So if I'm silent for a minute, I will just stop talking. Or it will stop recording, I meant. So yeah, I think I should be able to do that. Yeah, see you tomorrow. All right, so apparently my speech recognition uses internet. So that's kind of annoying. But I have internet now, so that is fine now. So I will probably be able to do something in 2 days. But my package came today as well. So as you can see, I got some servos. You can see here. These are quite stronger. I think they're 5 times stronger than my previous servos. So they should be more than enough to be able to carry the neck. And I bought 6 of them, so I shouldn't have too little of them. And then I have some marbles. that I'm gonna use later to build the bell bearing. So yeah, my goal right now is just to finish the speech recognition, and yeah, I'll probably don't have time for anything else this week, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so today I managed to do some work, but yesterday I did not, because apparently my internet was back, but my upload speed was apparently still pretty slow, really slow actually. So I couldn't even use the API on speech recognition. But today I changed the speech recognition to Whisper instead of the Google speech recognition. So that should fix that problem, at least. But yeah, I'm a bit frustrated right now. But yeah, I've been working on speech recognition for Phi today, but I think to make it better, I should probably use my GPU instead of my CPU. And I also should try to fine-tune it specifically to my own voice. And also maybe fine-tune it for some specific words, like Phi, for example. So this project will take a bit longer than just one day. So yeah, I think that's it. This week's work wasn't that much, but next week I will probably do a lot more, because well, we got the servos and we got ball bearings, so we should be able to upgrade the neck at least. Anyways, sorry for not doing more this week, but yeah, see you next week.